Hey everybody, I'm here today with a very simple dryer tutorial. I'll be showing you and telling you how to change the temperature, and these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right over here, this is my clothes dryer, and basically you can change the temperature essentially by finding out how to adjust it. Now let me explain what I mean by that. There's likely going to be a knob or a button that is going to be labeled as temperature, and that knob or button will allow you to change the drying temperature. What that basically means is it's going to allow you to change the temperature of the air that is sort of moving through the dryer, and oftentimes you'll be able to go from like the coolest setting to the warmest setting. Now in this case over here, on this dryer over here, there's a button that says temp over here, and this button that says temp will control the temperature, and when I push it, you can see right now it's on medium high, but I can cycle through the options: high, air only, low, medium, medium high once again, and then those are all the options: high, air only, low, medium, and medium high. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to leave it on medium high, and as you can see and hear, makes a cool sound. So we're leaving it on medium high, okay? And basically that means that the air that comes through the dryer is going to be at a medium high level. Now, instead of a button, there might be a knob, so you can, control it with a knob by just moving the knob to whichever option you would like. But that's it. That's how you can control the temperature and change the temperature and adjust the temperature on your dryer settings. It's really, really easy to do, and I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it in this very simplistic tutorial with super easy instructions. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.